Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this stunning DIY wedding boutonniere. It's also called as family floss. So materials are satin ribbon, artificial leaf, some pollens, green floral tape, scissor and curate. Now here you'll be just using simple techniques to turn these basic materials into something truly elegant. Whether you are a bride, groom, bridesmaid or you just love DIY, this is just perfect for you. The main reason for making this video is whenever I quote somebody the price of these boutonnieres, they say it's quite expensive. So I thought, why not teach you and you make it yourself. I hope this video inspires you to get creative for your big day, and if you would like a step-to-step detailed version, just drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beautiful and budget-friendly DIY ideas. See you in the next video and bye for now.